Hi, welcome to my channel SystemWebTech. In this video, we will learn if VLOOKUP. This is a table, right? And this is a tar 15% commission, 20% and 25%. We convert it into the table by pressing Control T. You will get it table by going to the insert or go to the data and in uh, just go to the there's a shortcut key, go Control T, right? And you will got the table or not. Just press the Control T, and now let's use the formula. Here I will give the set the tires according to the completion, and here is the formula. What we type the formula: if C3, if sales is greater than the goal, if C3 is greater than the D3, if sales is greater than the goal, then we look up E3 tire table, our database array, and 2 comma 0 into C3 sales value, sales column, else no commission, right? And this is the value. Okay, let's show you again. Let's show you this again, show you practically. Let's delete a previous work, right? So let's set the border under the home, setting the border, right? And also let's take it nearest. Okay, so we hide it. Now we are applying the formula here, is equals to if tab, if sales is greater than is equals to goal, right? Then fetch the value VLOOKUP tab, this tire value E3, E, I'm really sorry, E3, comma, this table array, comma, now this second column, from this table array we will take the second column, comma 0, and close the bracket. Now into C3, else no commission, right? In inverted text, and close the bracket and enter. So, and we will drag this formula to bottom by double click here, right? So this is what we got. Now let's show you practically as well by calculator. So for example, let's take it, let's drag it, right? So here we set the P tire, B tire carries 20%, 15%, 20%, and 25%. Highest is the C, 25%. So here we set the B. Now on 61, goal is greater than sales is greater than the goal. So 20% of 61, 61, 953 into 20 divided by 100. So it's 12,390.6. This is what we got. In second one, no commission because do not achieve the goal. In third one, 70 achieve the goal. B tire set again. Let's do it. Clear. 70 divided by 20%. 7851 divided by 20. Oh, 7851 multiply by 20 and divided by 100. So this is what we are getting. So this is how we will do it if we look up. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.